Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. Hope you're all doing well. Today, I just thought maybe you'd like to join me. I just wanted to share what I'm having for lunch. I decided to treat myself. We just got a new Popeyes. So we've had Popeyes in our city before, but there's a new one that just opened. So I thought I'd go out and try it. It says Popeyes Louisiana Kitchen. And I got a combo, the 3 tender combos. Comes with a garlic mayonnaise. And I'll just get it, there's the box, I'll just get it out. So this was a combo number 6 at Popeyes. And so it's a 3 tenders you get. There they are. And then their fries. I love their fries. Awesome fries. It comes with this little biscuit, which I don't normally eat. I give it to my hubby. But he's not here right now, but I'll wrap it up and save it for him. So that is what I got, and it comes with a drink. And like I said, also with this. So that is what I'm having for lunch today, just to treat myself. It's kind of a gloomy day out, and so I just thought I would go and treat myself and get this. Well, I'm going to go sit down and try it, so thank you, and hope you're having a great lunch wherever you are. Let me know what you're having. Love to hear. Here's what we're having tonight, my darlings. I made some fettuccine, and I put some corn in there that we had from the other night, and our tomatoes from our garden, and of course my pesto sauce, and a little bit of the herb garlic cream cheese there. And also these are breaded shrimp. So I actually took the things off, so I'll come and show you. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. I just whipped this together. And I put some cheese, some grated cheese. Pesto pasta with, it's got corn and tomatoes from our garden and some shrimp, breaded shrimp. Good. So supper tonight, what's for supper tonight is, you're looking at my crock pot here, I made some chili. There's my chili. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Chili. So what are you having for dinner tonight? Let me know down below. I'd love to hear. And thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. And remember to believe in yourself. I believe in you. And you truly will go far. Happy eating. Toodaloo.